hungry.
Abuja is not about Harcourt. Eagle Square is for Nigerians, it's our money. I tell Mr. President, no buy the aircraft, oh. No buy the aircraft, oh. If you buy them, return the money. The money is for Nigerians. No papa where your children are hungry. You're going to buy motor.
No, we are not interested in the government.
No papa where your children are hungry. You're going to buy hungry. Please, let him return our the plane and bring our money off. Make him buy the plane. No one give our money off. Make it we are hungry. We are hungry.
This guy, I'm very happy to take care. This is good video for me.
All we need is a good Nigeria. See, that's what we want.
It's Alexander Hassan. I'm a bona fide Nigeria. Nigeria is not for one person.
Yes, yes.
Nigeria is for all of us.
Yes.
Please, I heard Mr. Wike said they should not allow us to enter Eagle Square. Abuja is not Port Harcourt. Abuja is not River State. Abuja is for all of us. I tell Mr. Tinubu, please, he should not buy the aircraft.
Yes.
If he buy the aircraft, he should return the money. He should return the aircraft and bring back our money. The money is for Nigerians. The money is for Nigerians. We are here not for anything. We are here to tell the world that we are hungry. Let him bring fuel price down. Make Gary come down. Make rice come down. Yes.
The stadium alone, and you are now in the city center.
Yes. 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 They brought. Yes. Yes. Hello. The government.
Do stand up. That is a tear gas canisters everywhere. The protesters are running back. Tear gas canisters. Police are throwing tear gas everywhere. Tear gas canister everywhere. The youth protesters were trying to gain access to the Eagle Square, but they have been driven away by security personnel that they are restricted to Moshood Abiola Stadium.
They don't take us. They don't take us. They don't speak to us. Yes. Why? We are hungry. We are hungry. They are trying to take us. Where? They don't announce anything. They want to kill us. Look at my eyes. They want to kill us. Why? Government. This is our right. We are doing peaceful protests. Nigerian government won't kill us. Why? All we are fighting for is a Nigeria for the people.
Entrance to the villa, mounted by security personnel, soldiers on patrol. Entrance to the villa. Tear gas everywhere.
That's the highest thing that can happen.
I was looking for you now.
We are not doing anything today. They are attacking us. They are shooting us tear gas. What did we do? We did nothing. Just a peaceful protest, and they are shooting us tear gas. They are shooting us tear gas. Just a peaceful protest. They are grabbing the Nigerian. These people are stand by here. Calm down.